Surat al-Adiyat, chapter of the runners. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, by the panting runners striking fire and sparks, storming forward in the morning, their track, a dust cloud, in the midst of which they move as a body. Verily man is to his Lord ungrateful, verily he is to that a witness, and verily he for the love of good is violent. Does he not know when what is in the graves is ransacked, and what is in the breasts is extracted? Verily their Lord that day will of them be well informed. And we can look beyond the fact that initially this is referring to horses. We can think of other things in their movement, the electronic, the gas emissions, the particle-based power, or whatever. But when the graves are ransacked doesn't mean that we should be grave robbing. But we are in a day of grave ransacking, right? Because what do you think archaeology is? It's not just, okay, we discovered something, we make a note of it. They're taking the bodies elsewhere. They're taking the grave goods elsewhere. Although, I mean, why do you have grave goods? It's not like it's, you know, affecting your body, but it is part of the ritual or something. But in Islam, we don't even put color in the graves. You know, we don't put coffins. So, yeah.